everybody, good morning. This is Boomy. I'm on my way out of the house. I gotta go to downtown Baltimore, but I wanted to share with you guys what I will be doing to work my business as I go along my day. So I am not coming back home until I have given out 100 of these sizzle cards that I have made up. Now, this really isn't a business card. I call it a sizzle card. It's more like a little mini advertisement. But the easy way to give these out, what I do, let's say if I find like a park and ride in an area with the demographics that I am looking for, I go into that parking lot and it takes me all of, 15 minutes to go to each car and stick one of these cards in each of the parking lot, and each of the windows on the driver's side, so that when the person comes to back to their car later on this evening, or after they get out of the mall or whatever, they will see my advertisement. Now, I used these years ago very successfully. So again, this is not a business card. This is like an ad that pops out at you. Learn how to make $500 to $2,500 a month part-time with your own online hair weave store. Then I have my website, I'mHairForYou.com. And then on the back it says, own your own online hair weave store, only $9.97 per month. Call or text me now. Then I have RemyHairMoney.com. No inventory, no overhead, 100% virgin Remy. Then I have the number for the 3-minute recorded overview. Then at the bottom, little slogan, let our Brazilian make you a million. So I'm going to get these out in mass numbers. Like I ordered 1,000 of them about 2 weeks ago. So I got my 100. I'm putting them out today as I go along. As Daryl talks about, you use 0 time. I would never just go out to do this unless I'm really promoting for an event or something and I have some promotional materials. But I'm promoting while I'm out. I got to be out anyway. So I might as well be spreading my message or promoting. To promote means to make known and well thought of. You cannot be a secret agent in your business and expect to make money and expect to have tons of leads and expect to have people following you. You got to make some noise. You got to take big actions if you want a big bank account. You got to get out in a big way. Sit down and strategize. How am I going to get my name branded in my neighborhood or in my company or in my city? What am I going to do to get myself out there? You can't be scared. You can't be scared to tell people what you're doing. You can't be fearful to send out a text blast or an email blast or to sit down and start calling 50 people fast. I have something called 550 Fast, so that you can share with them something that you're excited about that's blessing you, that you think they may be open to taking a look at too. Y'all gotta learn how to work your business, and when you do it, you gotta do it with consistency. Not start and stop and do something today and not for 3 days. I'm excited this week, or next week I ain't excited. I'm trying to teach y'all something here. But anyway, so this is Boomy. I'm about to leave out about my sizzle cards, and I will see y'all next time. Have a great day, everybody. In fact, you create a great day for yourself.